Alright, I had several people, whenever we turned in the homework, ask about number 12, so I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to set up number 12. It says, as long as a plant or animal is alive, carbon-14 is maintained in a constant amount in its tissues. Once dead, however, the plant or animal ceases taking in carbon, and carbon-14 diminishes by radioactive decay. Estimate the age of a skull uncovered in an archaeological site if 10% of the original amount of carbon-14 is still present. The half-life of C14 is 5,730 years. So, when we're dealing with half-life problems, we're going to have y equals some amount times point. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Let's go back down here. We're going to have some amount times 0.5 to the x power. Now, we don't know what that amount originally was, so we can just make something up here. Since we're dealing with percentages, 100 is always a really easy one to do. Although you could use 1, you could use 20, you could use whatever you really want there. And remember here that x stands for number of half-lives. Okay, so if only 10% of the original amount remains, then 10% of 100 is 10. So we could plug in 10 for this y right here. So that equals 100 times 0.5 to the x. And we want to solve for that x right there. So we're going to divide by 100. And so 0.1 is going to equal 0.5 to the x power. We need to solve for this x right here that's in the exponent. So to get rid of that base, we can do log base 0.5 on both sides, which will cancel with this base right here. So our x is going to equal log base 0.5 of 0.1. And now all you have to do is type that into the calculator to find your value for x. So if you type that in, then you're going to get 3.3219 and so on, 28095. I'm just going to keep that in my calculator. But this is half-lives. So this is not the answer that you want to give because that's not the number of years. That doesn't really tell you the age. So what you've got to do to find the age is you need to multiply this by the length of the half-life, which is 5,730. So if we multiply that number by 5,730, then we're going to get 19,034.648 years. So about 19,000 years old. So I hope this helps with that one. If you have other questions, let me know.